Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with BB&T detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your financial documents. This includes bank statements, pay stubs, and any upcoming bills. Next, determine your income sources. List all monthly income including wages, freelance work, and any side jobs. Now, move on to tracking your expenses. Categorize your spending into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses might include rent, mortgages, and insurance payments. Variable expenses often include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. After listing your expenses, compare them to your income. This will help you understand how much money you have left each month. Next, set financial goals for yourself. Decide what you want to save for, such as a vacation or an emergency fund. Once your goals are clear, create a budget plan. Allocate specific amounts to each category based on your priorities. Consider using the 50/30/20 rule for guidance. This rule suggests using 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Now, it's important to track your spending regularly. Use apps or spreadsheets to ensure you're sticking to your budget. Adjust your budget as needed to reflect changes in income or expenses. Revisit your financial goals periodically to see if they need updating. After a few months, analyze your progress. This will help you understand which areas you excel in and where you can improve. Finally, remember to be flexible with your budget. Life can be unpredictable, and adjustments may be necessary. By following these steps, you can effectively budget your finances with BB&T. Stay committed to your financial goals and monitor your progress consistently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.